it's not even about, before we get to the point, we have to understand what the reality is.
Yeah.
When Shedeur does anything, it's always critique.
At that position, no matter where you rank on any kind of depth chart as a quarterback, everything you do and say is a job interview. In the NFL, every moment. I think the second thing is this. That 30 or 40 seconds, Stephen A., while he may not be an immature person, that's an immature moment. It is. Because does that 30 or 40 seconds help you in your own building?
We'll see. Shedeur, I definitely believe in you. All right.
Shedeur Sanders controversies are getting out of control once again. And this time, Shedeur is under fire for his mime interview. During this interview, he chose to communicate only through gestures, hinting that whatever he says gets twisted and used against him in the NFL. And honestly, he's not wrong. The media attention around him is heating up again. Shedeur knows that every single move he makes is watched closely, mostly because of who his father, Deion Sanders, is. Let's get into it. As soon as the video went viral, the media storm exploded, and once again, Shedeur Sanders faced mixed reactions from fans and analysts. But Stephen A. Smith took a different route this time. Instead of bashing Shedeur like most people did, he offered solid advice. Stephen A. told Shedeur to understand his position clearly, reminding him that everything he does will face major scrutiny because he's Deion's son and already in the spotlight. On the other hand, Dan Orlovsky didn't hold back, calling those 40 seconds of mime behavior immature. He said that being an NFL quarterback is a serious job where every move can be turned against you. Orlovsky challenged Shedeur to ask himself whether that 40-second stunt really helps his future, especially when it comes to his growth, leadership, and reputation within the team. He made it clear that Shedeur should focus on what builds him up, not what adds more controversy around his name.
That position, no matter where you rank on any kind of depth chart as a quarterback, everything you do and say is a job interview. In the NFL, every moment. I think the second thing is this. That 30 or 40 seconds, Stephen A., while he may not be an immature person, that's an immature moment. It is. Because does that 30 or 40 seconds help you in your own building?
Ryan Clark, however, took a more detailed and balanced approach, arguing that the backlash against Shedeur Sanders is completely unfair. He pointed out that Shedeur doesn't have much experience or a clear example to follow in situations like this, since he's the only third-string quarterback in an entire league getting this much media attention, and being asked what he needs to do to earn a starting spot. Clark stressed that people need to remember Shedeur is still a young player facing massive pressure from the media, and it makes no sense to bash him for how he's dealing with it. But Ryan Clark didn't stop there. He added that Shedeur's behavior is a normal reaction to being constantly criticized and judged. Clark explained that after being under this much scrutiny, Shedeur's response is just him trying to handle the heat in his own way. He advised Shedeur to take a step back, think things through, and understand how his actions might affect him in the long run. Clark encouraged him to stay locked in on his goals and focus on what truly matters, reminding him that how he handles this pressure could define his future in the NFL.
Yeah. There's also a part for Shedeur Sanders that all of this, the scrutiny, the way he's criticized, the wording that's used is unfair to him.
And let's be real, Ryan Clark definitely has a point here, because Shedeur Sanders has been getting slammed for things that honestly aren't that serious. Recently, Shedeur made a bold statement saying he believes he's better than some of the quarterbacks currently playing in the NFL. As expected, that didn't sit well with a lot of people. The backlash came fast, with critics attacking him for having the confidence to say something like that. It quickly turned into a storm of negative reactions from people who felt Shedeur was getting ahead of himself and overstepping his boundaries. But the truth is, confidence is part of what makes great players who they are, and Shedeur's belief in himself might just be the thing that separates him.
Overall, this isn't my end goal, I'm just enjoying myself, learning, doing everything I have to do, and just ready for my opportunity.
Shedeur was simply trying to show that he's ready to compete, but the media twisted his comments and turned on him fast. Rex Ryan, for example, went after Shedeur, claiming he wasn't working hard enough. But what really stood out was Rex's tone. It wasn't constructive or encouraging. It came off harsh, almost hostile, like he was trying to get a reaction out of Shedeur. This wasn't just normal criticism, it felt like a full-on attack. Naturally, that only made things worse and added more fuel to the fire already surrounding Shedeur. Cam Newton also stepped in, saying Shedeur is being treated unfairly and isn't wrong for questioning how he's being handled. According to Newton, this whole situation is something we've never seen before. Shedeur is the first fifth-round third-string quarterback in NFL history to get this much fan support, and that's exactly why the media is on him so hard. Newton explained that all this attention, even though it's mostly positive, has made Shedeur an even bigger target for criticism and pressure. He went on to say that no matter what Shedeur Sanders does, right or wrong, there's always an extreme reaction waiting for him. Newton pointed out that this isn't normal rookie criticism, it's deeper and way more personal. He said the attacks on Shedeur are far harsher than what any other young quarterback would face, even when he's improving. way beyond what's reasonable.
It's not even about. Before we get to the point, we have to understand what the reality is.
Yeah.
When Shedeur does anything, it's always critique.
In conclusion, the situation around Shedeur Sanders has turned into a perfect storm of media pressure, high expectations, and non-stop criticism. Shedeur, a young and talented quarterback with huge potential, now finds himself stuck between media agendas and former players with their own opinions. What started as a simple statement about believing in his own talent has exploded into a full-blown controversy, where every move he makes is judged and twisted. While Shedeur's confidence and self-belief are normal reactions to the intense pressure he's under, the amount of attention he's getting is unlike anything we've seen before. As Cam Newton pointed out, Shedeur is the first fifth-round, third-string quarterback to ever receive this level of fan support and media spotlight. That unique position has made every action he takes a target for harsh, exaggerated criticism. Stephen A. Smith, Dan Orlovsky, and Ryan Clark have all shared valuable insight, reminding Shedeur to stay aware of the massive pressure that comes with being Deion Sanders' son. But the criticism from voices like Rex Ryan, who questioned his work ethic, has only added fuel to the fire. At the end of the day, Shedeur Sanders is still a young quarterback trying to find his way. And while some criticism may be fair, we can't ignore the insane amount of pressure he faces. Fans, analysts, and the media need to remember he's still learning and growing, both as a player and a person. He deserves the space to make mistakes without being torn apart every time he speaks or plays. So what do you think? Is the media being unfair to Shedeur Sanders? Is the criticism justified, or are people targeting him just because he's Deion's son? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear what you think. Interview. Before we wrap things up, one thing's for sure, this story is far from over. Collision, if you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on everything happening with Shedeur Sanders and the Browns, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay tuned and keep it locked right here for more exclusive NFL coverage.